one of the greatest human beings, which is probably not that we've worked with, like, giving, caring. This is the gift of This is just listed all the accolades. But this is the guy that will do anything for anybody that obviously has treated him as the man he is. For anybody, anytime. He runs the biggest celebrity golf tournament in the world, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, not California, not Miami. Raising more money for middle school. And the list of who was there is unbelievable. First time I got invited, no, this is no kidding. First time I got invited, walked into the Dye Country Club, walked downstairs, they gave me a pair of Maui Mims. They gave me a bag of memorabilia and stuff, all related to the golf tournament. But it $2,000 bag. Then you walked upstairs to the bar and there was Smith and Samuel Jackson. He said, I'm trying to drink with them. How hard is that to do? I started going in 2 days ago. It is the damnedest party of all time. My wife went one time and said she'd never go back, but that's okay. I can move this room over here for 2 days.
Boo.
And have.